But you will go home na. I will tell ate. Okay? Oh, don't cry na. Stop crying na. I will tell ate.
I want to see Ate.
I will tell ate to make a video call. Okay? Okay? Oh, stop crying na. Stop crying ka na.
I want Ate to go home.
I will tell ate. Okay? Stop crying. Stop.
I want her to go home.
You have Ate Bien naman. Don't love Ate Bien?
I want Ate Pusin and Ate Biela sa family.